Struggling with cutting tasks at home or in your workshop? Whether you're pruning branches, cutting metal, or tackling demolition work, the right electric reciprocating saw makes all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 saws that will transform your cutting projects. Number 5. Starting at number 5, this cordless reciprocating saw features a powerful LED light for hard-to-see cutting areas. The variable speed trigger provides complete control over cutting speed, perfect for precision work and aggressive demolition. The ergonomic soft grip handle reduces vibration and fatigue during extended use. The tool-free blade system lets you swap blades instantly. This package includes one high-capacity rechargeable battery with impressive runtime, multiple replaceable blades for wood and metal, and a convenient carrying case. The built-in safety lock prevents accidental starts, while the adjustable shoe maximizes blade life. Ideal for cutting wood, metal, or PVC with ease. Whether you're working on home improvements or professional projects, this versatile saw delivers reliable performance. For those interested in purchasing this saw, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 4. At number 4, this high-performance saw delivers exceptional power with its large-capacity battery system. Advanced battery technology charges quickly and lasts longer than standard batteries. The powerful motor maintains consistent speed under heavy loads, making it perfect for contractors and DIY enthusiasts. The safety lock prevents accidental starts, while variable speed control matches your material perfectly. Includes a fast charger for minimal downtime and toolless blade changes for wood, metal, and demolition blades. The rubberized grip reduces hand fatigue during long sessions, and the balanced design makes overhead work easy. This saw excels at demolition and precision cutting tasks. The durable construction ensures years of reliable service across various applications. For those interested in purchasing this saw, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is this brushless reciprocating saw designed for DeWalt 20V batteries. If you're invested in DeWalt, this is a game changer for your collection. Brushless motor technology delivers more power, longer runtime, and extended tool life versus traditional motors. Variable speed from 0 to 3,500 strokes per minute gives incredible control for any material. Tool-free blade changes accept standard blades, and 4 included blades cover wood, metal, and PVC applications. The adjustable pivoting shoe maximizes blade life by using fresh sections. Anti-vibration technology reduces fatigue, while LED lighting improves visibility in dim conditions. Perfect for demolition, remodeling, pruning, and general cutting tasks. The compact design fits easily in tight spaces without sacrificing power. Battery not included. For those interested in purchasing this saw, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 2. At number 2, this combo set gives you 2 essential cutting tools in one package. Includes both a wireless rotary saw and electric reciprocating saw for maximum versatility. The reciprocating saw handles aggressive cutting, demolition, and pruning, while the rotary saw delivers precision cuts in drywall and plywood. Both share the same battery system, eliminating multiple chargers. The package includes complete blades for wood, metal, and PVC materials. Fast charger ensures minimal project downtime. Both tools feature safety locks preventing accidental operation. The reciprocating saw has adjustable shoe and tool-free blade changes, while the rotary saw offers depth adjustment for consistent cuts. Outstanding choice for homeowners, renovators, and contractors needing flexibility. You're prepared for any cutting situation with this comprehensive set. For those interested in purchasing this saw set, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Number 1. Taking the top spot is this premium wireless reciprocating saw with everything for professional results. This saw combines power, precision, and convenience perfectly. The high-performance motor delivers consistent cutting through tough materials, while variable speed gives perfect command. Our number 1 choice features complete accessories: high-capacity battery for extended runtime, multiple blades for different materials, tool set for maintenance, and protective carrying case. The ergonomic soft grip handle reduces fatigue during use. Tool-free blade changes work instantly, while the safety lock ensures secure operation. LED light illuminates your work area for improved visibility. The adjustable shoe extends blade life and improves efficiency. Excels at demolition, pruning, metal cutting, and renovation. For those interested in purchasing this saw, you'll find the link in the description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.